guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new around here, hey, hello, and welcome. We're SplatterBox Art. Our goal is to bring fun painting lessons to you at home.
And if you like what we're doing, we would love if you would subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to remind you when our videos go live every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. But with that being said, let's get started. Okay, for our first step, what I'd like you to do is get out a piece of construction paper. I chose blue to represent the sky of the rainbow, but you can choose any color you would like. Let's first start off by folding it in half and creasing it right through the middle, so it opens and closes like a card. Great job, guys. We're ready for our next step already. Let's go ahead and get out a piece of white copy paper. This is actually a really important step to our rainbow. We want to make sure that the width of the white paper is smaller than the width of the inside of the blue card. Let's go ahead and fold our white paper on that little dash line that we made. Crease it right across and get ready to cut it. Awesome job, guys. That looks great. Now it's time to draw on the stripes of our rainbow. Remember, we're not making the stripes on the short end. We're going to be drawing them on the long end. So go in order, however you want your rainbow to look. I decided to start mine with pink. I don't know, I was feeling a little silly today. This is up to you if you want to mark out your sections. I did a ½ inch for each one. But you don't have to do that. You can just go ahead and hop right into your stripes. Why don't you guys go ahead and start coloring, and I'll see you in a sec. And stick around, I have some fun facts for you about rainbows. Did you know that rainbows aren't actually arches? They're full circles. If you are flying high in the sky and looking down at a rainbow, yep, you'd see a circle. The reason we see an arch or a semicircle, a half a circle, is because we're seeing it from the ground and looking straight out. The horizon line is what makes it look like a semicircle. And if you don't know what a horizon line is, that's simply where the sky meets the land or the sea. All right, it's time to fold. Have you ever made a paper fan before? Well, this is very similar. We're going to use little sections going back and forth folding. If you need help with this, you could always ask a parent, a sibling, or rewind and watch again. It's not too difficult. Just make sure you're getting really nice creases. Let's go. You're doing really great, guys. It's coming along. I had a little bit of extra, so I'm just going to cut that off really quick. So I decided to actually cut off my bottommost pink stripe, just so that my rainbow would have more of an arch-like effect. Alright, why don't you go ahead and get out your glue stick, and we're going to glue our rainbow into our card. I love it! It's so cute. This would make a perfect birthday card. Let's go ahead and add on a few cute clouds. Then you can write your special card to whoever you'd like. Follow along the best you can. These steps shouldn't be too hard, guys. Don't forget to leave a little white dot in the eye. That makes them look extra cute. I decided to add on a rainbow unicorn horn because why not, right? Wow, guys, I am so proud of you. Look at this amazing rainbow card. Who are you going to give yours to? Wow, guys, I hope you had fun hanging out with me. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye!